Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Future channel. I am Krishna Nirmale, ex-student of NIPER Hyderabad. Those students they are preparing from NIPER 2020. For that candidate, our Pharma Future channel started a important section. In that daily we will discuss 3 to 4 important tables. Moving to today's first table, that is expression of solubility. Here is given the respective term of solubility and here the part of solvent required for one part of solute. For very soluble, it is less than 1 part. Freely soluble, 1 to 10 part. Soluble is in nearly 10 to 30 part. Sparingly soluble, 30 to 100 part. Slightly soluble, nearly 100 to 1000 part. For very slightly soluble is nearly 1000 to 10,000 part. If more than 10,000 part of solvent required for one part of solute, then it is named as practically insoluble. Moving to second table, that is list of Bharat Ratna award from 201191 to 2019. In 2019, Bharat Ratna award awarded to Pranab Mukherjee, which is the politician and 13th president of India. Second one in 2019 also given to Bhupen Hazarika. It's a playback singer, filmmaker from Assam and widely known as Sudha Kanta. And in also 2019 also given to Nanaji Deshmukh. Is are the social activist and leader of Bharatiya Jan Sangh. And then in 2015 uh, Bharat Ratna awarded to the Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Madan Mohan Malaviya. In 2014 Sachin Tendulkar and CN Rao. In 2009 Bharat Ratna award awarded to Bhimsen Joshi. In 2001 Lata Mangeshkar and Utsav Bismillah Khan. Like that, these are the year and these are the awarded person who got the Bharat Ratna award. Moving to our third table, that is a list of Nobel Prize winner in 2019. In as per NIPER, they are asking either medicinal or chemistry and on Nobel given to medicine or chemistry. In 2019, physics, James Philos for theoretical discovery in physical cosmology, and Michael Mayer and Didier Queloz for discovery in the exoplanet orbiting a solar type star. In chemistry, John Goodenough, Stanley Whittingham, and Akiro Yoshino for the development of lithium ion batteries. In medicine and physiology is given to William G. Kellin Gr. and Sir Peter J. and Greg L. Semenza for the discovery of how cells sense and adapt the oxygen availability. In literature is given to the Peter Handke. In peace is Abhay Ahmad Ali for his effort to achieve the peace and international cooperation, and it is particular for his decisive initiative to resolve the border conflict with the neighboring Eritrea. Then in the economic science is given to Avijit Banerjee, Easter Dufalo, and Michael Kermer for the experimental approaches for elevating the global poverty. Moving to Nobel Prize awarded in 2018 in physics, given to Arthur Askin for the optical tweezer and their application for biological system, and also Donna Strickland for their method for generating the high density and ultrasound optical pulse. In chemistry is awarded to Francis H. Arnold for the directed evolution of enzyme, and also Sir Gregor V. Winter for the play display for peptide and antibody. In medicine and physiology in 2018 is Nobel Prize awarded to James P. Allison and Tasuko Honjo for their discovery of cancer therapy by inhibition of negative immune regulation. In literature is given to Olga Tokarczuk for native imagination that encyclopedic passion represent the crossing of boundary as a form of life. In peace is given to Nadia Murad for their effort to end and use sexual violence as a weapon for war and armed conflict. For economy science, it's given to William D. Nordhaus and Paul M. Romer for integrating the climate change into long-run microeconomics analysis. Our today's last table, that is the description USP dissolution apparatus. There are 7 apparatus. Here is the description of the apparatus, the application, and here is the rotation speed. For first USP first apparatus is a basket, generally applicable for conventional tablet, chewable tablet, and control release tablet, and have a rotation speed is 50 to 120 rpm. Second one is a paddle, applicable for orally disintegrating tablet, chewable tablet, CR, and suspension. Rotation speed is 25 to 50 rpm. USP third one is a reciprocating cylinder, is applicable for CR and chewable tablet. Rotation speed is 6 to 35 rpm. Then moving to fourth dissolution apparatus, that is flow through cell, applicable for ER, poorly soluble API, powder, granules, and microparticles, and implant. Rotation is didn't mention. Then moving to fifth USP apparatus is a paddle over disc, used for transdermal, and rotation speed is a 25 to 50 rpm. Moving to sixth is a cylinder, applicable for transdermal. And then moving to last, that is seventh one, is a reciprocating holder, which is used for CR, for not distenting an oral transdermal control release tablet, and have a aptical rotation 30 rpm. Thank you for watching. If you like video, share this video, and if you want to join our Pharma Future group for GPAT, NIPER, and pharmacist exam group, contact on below number 8554837018. Thank you for watching.